Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are going to make a very nutritious recipe, Dal Mash. For this I have used 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon salt. 3 to 4 green chilies, about 5 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, a handful of chopped coriander leaves and 1 onion chopped. Chilies you can adjust according to your taste, but since the dal is a little bland, the chilies don't really matter. Maash dal I've washed and soaked it for at least 2 hours. That's about 1 cup. Take a pan, add the soaked Urad Dal and add about 1.5 cups of water or enough water to cover the dal. And now we'll add in all the masalas, the chili flakes, turmeric, cumin, dhania and salt. And the cloves of garlic and ginger, we'll be using the fresh ones. This adds to the taste. Crush it fresh and add it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share my videos, and please let me know if you have any suggestions for me. Now let's add in the crushed ginger garlic. This is a very simple and easy recipe and it hardly takes any time for this. Urad Dal or the Maash Dal is really healthy, so this recipe makes this bland dal really delicious and it goes really well with rotis. So just close the lid and allow it to cook for some time till the dal gets done. It's almost done. So till this gets cooked, I'll make the tadka ready for this dal. Heat some ghee in a pan, about 2 tablespoons of ghee. And we'll add the sliced onions. And we'll fry these onions to a nice brown, a really dark brown, because if you fry it less, then you can feel these onion in the dal, it comes in your mouth. But if you fry it really dark, if you fry it really well to a golden brown color, then it adds to the taste and you cannot see the onions in the dal as well. So we'll fry these onions and now we'll pour this into the dal along with all the ghee. Mix it well and add the chopped coriander and the green chilies as well. This is a really simple recipe and it hardly takes any time to cook this. Just about 10 minutes, that's it. And it's a great recipe for Sehri. For your suhoor, you can have this recipe with rotis or parathas. It goes really well. You can adjust the consistency. You can add in some more water if you feel it's too dry. I hope you liked this recipe. Please try this and let me know if your family liked this recipe too. Thank you for watching my video. Please do try this recipe and send me your comments and experiences. Do hit the subscribe button and also share and give me a thumbs up if you like my video.